Hey guys, how's it going? Man, what a crazy day waking up today. So, I looked at my GoPro to see if I can look at some video I took yesterday, and I get a SD error on my GoPro5. I'm recording this with my Apple iPhone, and I did some research and I come to find out that, man, I'm using the wrong SD card and it crashed. So, that means I have to go get another SD card that costs like around $90 so it won't crash anymore. But the SD card is still good, so I can use it for another camera, which I'm thinking about getting in the near future. There it is, Fry's Electronics. Trying to fix that SD issue I have with my GoPro. There it is, guys, the SanDisk Extreme Plus 4K UD. Right there, V30, 32 gigs. It's expensive, man, $32. But hopefully it works with this GoPro 5, and I don't get a crash like I did the other SD card. But it should be good. It should be good. It should be really good. All right, we'll check in a few. Filming this with the iPhone. Once again, I haven't opened it and put the new SD card yet. Let's see what it says. This is still the old one. See? It's reading SD card error. Go back. It's reading SD card error. So now let's try the other card I just bought, which is the SD Gold, which is this one right there with the V30 speed. So what it is, it's just a faster processor for the GoPro camera. So let's put it in right now. The final test right here. There we go. Upload successful. There we go. Upload successful. So hopefully with this SD card right here, we won't have any other problems with it. We'll see how it goes. We're planning to go on the Grand Canyon to take some photos and some videos, so let's see how it goes. There's nothing out here. You'd expect that there'd be gas stations and shopping malls on the road drive here. There's absolutely nothing. You'll fall. Look at that. Huh. Falling hazard. I wonder what. What a view. There you go. The scenic view of the Grand Canyon from Arizona. Incredible view. There's the red rock. I think this is the red rock they used to make clay. The Indian natives used to make clay. It was pretty neat. It was like a red dirt, you know. It was very foreign to me since I'm from Cali. What is it?
You don't want it.
There it is, the Grand Canyon, one of America's natural wonders. It's a little, there's a lot of forecasts, but you are still able to see part of the canyon. But wow, what a stunning view! What a stunning view! I really want to go back and explore it some more and get some better footage and hopefully a camera stabilizer because I'm all over the place with the camera. Again, I'm a beginner, still learning, but cope with me and I'll definitely produce better videos.